start this mother humper.
That not sound good.
The engine is making a metallic knocking sound. It can be a multitude of things, from the rocker arms, rocker shafts, lifters. It can be telegraphing out of the transmission, the torque converter, the flex plate. The crankshaft could have a problem. The only thing I hope is whatever it is that's causing this unfavorable sound is not a massive overhaul. Okay, it's in the revolution of the motor. It's not top end. It's got to be, so it could be the starter. The starter would be hanging out, right?
I grabbed it and it was fine. I grabbed it when it was running. It wasn't that. I can't feel anything anywhere. You know, any vibration.
Turn the drive shaft.
Can't.
Like, I'm wondering, you adjusted all that linkage while it was on the ground, right? Not running, obviously.
No, not running, just actually in the air. I didn't even really get all the linkage adjusted. It's just installed.
Could it be the park pawl not parking?
Could be. Okay, well, we got a clicking sound on the motor, and we kind of determined it might be the parking rod. Whenever the automatic transmission's kind of caught in between gears, the little parking rod will kind of click, so it'll create a clicking sound. So we kind of determined that might be the problem, so we're going to kind of mess with the linkage and see if that solves our noise issue.
But it didn't feel like it, but
Yeah.
it sure sounds like it.
It does, inside.
It's because it's the same RPM as the engine. You know, if it was #1 rocker, it'd have to wait 8 times to come up. Seven times before it'd come up. So it's got to be in there, which is good. It beats an internal problem.
Upon removing the inspection cover, we've seen some rubbing marks on the inspection cover, so that was creating our little tinny sound. So now that we got the flex plate straightened out, we were able to put a pry bar in there and just take the little tweak out of it and got our inspection cover fixed. Hopefully that's going to take care of our sound, and we'll have a really smooth, nice sounding motor.
Hoping it moved just a hair. Probably didn't. Probably have to take the engine out.
We're going to take the car outside and run it for a little while longer, try to put a little load on it, and see if it improves or if it gets worse.
I don't know what it is. I just hope that it's nothing massive, because that's going to be a setback we just can't afford right now.